Hello, I'm Steve Locke with Locke Buildings. Today, we're going to show you our process for laying out a building. First, you want to review your plans, confirm you have the cross measurements you'll need for the layout. Next, you're going to want to set up your laser. You always want to confirm your property lines and make sure that you have proper setbacks from the property line and other buildings. You may need to hire a surveyor if you're not certain where the property line is. Fences may not be the exact property line. We recommend a setback minimum 1 feet extra off your minimum setback. There are 4 primary steps to stringing out the building. Number 1, set the baseline, the first string line. After marking out one side of the building, you will then mark the corners on that side. This is only a close measurement. You will only need 1 stake on each end. You want to set the string to grade with the laser. Using a Sharpie, you will mark the exact corners on the string. Pull the tape tight. Number 2, set a parallel line, which is equal distance from the first line. You might have to adjust the string until it is perfect. An easy trick to making micro adjustments is to construct a kicker. Number 3, mark the cross measurement. After both lines are set, you are ready to mark the diagonal corners. Number 4, you'll back measure and double check both cross measurements. Once you've completed your layout, you'll want to go and mark out all the post holes with marking paint, only putting 1 dot at the center of each post. After that's complete, go back through and put a big X over the dot. This will make it easier when it comes to drilling the holes. You may want to look at our next tutorial video, which covers drilling the holes. If you're interested in purchasing a kit or other instructional videos, please visit our website.